environmental survival techniques. When we get to living, act like natives, act like is food, and the third is water. Pakita mo yung kabo, pakita mo yung kinikis niya na kahoy. Yan naman ito. There is also one cup, so that and we cook it. If we have chicken, we have a chicken or how long usually does it take for bayawak and let them only one a piece of okay. This is right. Kana. Kita mo. If the hole is the size of that is the size of the, when it comes in, he will touch the lock and boom, uy. Alright, I will just show you on how to put it like inside this hole. Then this is it. You can apply any
Burn it.
if you want to easy to remove na naman small. Ang kamay baka masama kamay. Masarap.